This is the U permutation. It's an edge-only PLL which cycles 3 edges. As you can see, all of the corners are solved. There are 2 cases of the U-perm. One of them is when the opposite sticker is on the right-hand side when facing the 3 edges. And when I say opposite, I mean that this sticker is opposite to all of the other colours on that side. So here, the opposite sticker is on the right, and for the other U-perm, the opposite sticker is on the left. So, for the one on the right, you do this algorithm. Right, up inverted, right, up, right, up, right, up inverted, up inverted, right 2. Now, when the opposite sticker is on the left, as you can see blue is opposite to green, you do this algorithm. Right 2, up, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, right inverted, up, right inverted. Those are the U-perms.